We're going to explore the incredible household uses of baking soda. This versatile ingredient isn't just for baking. It can be a handy tool for various tasks around the house. So, if you're ready to discover the many ways baking soda can make your life easier, let's get started. First and foremost, baking soda is an excellent natural cleaning agent. It has mild abrasive properties that can help remove stains and odors. You can create a simple all-purpose cleaner by mixing baking soda with water to form a paste. Use it to scrub surfaces, sinks, countertops, and even appliances for a sparkling clean result. If you have carpeted areas in your home, baking soda can be your best friend when it comes to deodorizing. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on your carpets, let it sit for a while, and then vacuum it up. The baking soda will absorb unpleasant odors, leaving your carpets smelling fresh and clean. Do you have stubborn food stains and odors on your cutting boards? Baking soda can help with that too. Sprinkle some baking soda on the surface, scrub it gently with a lemon or a damp cloth, and rinse it off. Your cutting boards will be clean and odor-free, ready for your next meal preparation. I would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Clogged drains can be a nuisance, but baking soda can come to the rescue. Pour about half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by hot water. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then flush it with more hot water. The combination of baking soda and hot water can help break down debris and clear minor clogs. Is there an unpleasant odor lingering in your fridge? Baking soda can help eliminate it. Place an open box or a small dish of baking soda in your refrigerator to absorb unwanted odors. Remember to replace it every couple of months to keep your fridge smelling fresh. Baking soda can even be used as a natural toothpaste and teeth whitener. Dip your toothbrush in some baking soda and brush your teeth as you normally would. It can help remove stains and freshen your breath. However, be mindful that baking soda is abrasive, so use it sparingly and consult your dentist if you have any concerns. There you have it, the many household uses of baking soda. From cleaning surfaces and deodorizing carpets to unclogging drains and freshening your fridge, baking soda is a true multitasker. I hope these tips come in handy for you. Thanks for watching.